new ChatGPT update is insane. ChatGPT just dropped something absolutely wild. I'm talking group chats with AI, multiple people talking to ChatGPT at the same time in real time. This changes everything about how we use AI. So here's what just happened. OpenAI rolled out a feature that honestly sounds like science fiction. You can now create group chats inside ChatGPT with up to 20 people, 20 actual humans plus ChatGPT all in one conversation. And the AI doesn't just sit there spamming responses, it actually follows along and jumps in when it makes sense, like a real person would. This is powered by something called GPT 5.1 Auto, which basically means the AI is smart enough to know when to talk and when to shut up. It reads the room, it understands context, and it only responds when someone mentions it or when the conversation needs its input. Let me break down why this is actually insane. First off, this feature is already live worldwide, not some slow rollout, not invite only. If you have a Chat GPT account, you can use this right now. They tested it in Japan, New Zealand, South Korea, Taiwan, and India first, and now it's everywhere. The way it works is simple. You create a group chat, you invite up to 20 people, and Chat GPT becomes part of the group. Everyone can see what everyone else is saying. But here's the cool part. ChatGPT doesn't respond to every single message. You can mention it directly by tagging it, or it'll jump in when the conversation needs it. Like if someone asks a question, or if there's a natural break where input would help. And get this, ChatGPT can react with emojis, just like a regular group chat member. So if someone says something funny, ChatGPT might drop a laughing emoji. If someone shares good news, it might throw up a celebration emoji. This makes it feel way less robotic and way more natural. But it gets even better. ChatGPT can generate images based on the profile photos of people in the group. So if you're planning a trip with friends, ChatGPT could create a fun graphic with everyone's faces on it. Or if you're working on a project, it could make a visual mock-up using team member photos. This personalization takes things to a whole new level. Now, let's talk use cases because this is where things get really interesting. Imagine you're planning a trip with 10 friends. Normally, you'd have endless back and forth texts. Where should we go? What dates work? What's the budget? Who's booking what? It's chaos. But now you throw ChatGPT into that group chat. Someone asks what the weather will be like in Bali in March. ChatGPT answers instantly. Someone wants restaurant recommendations. ChatGPT gives you a list. Someone needs to know flight prices. ChatGPT can help research that too, all in real time, all in one place. Or think about work projects. You've got a team spread across different time zones. You're trying to coordinate a launch. Instead of scheduling endless meetings, you create a group chat with ChatGPT. The AI can take notes, summarize discussions, answer questions about the project timeline, even generate draft copy or designs on the spot. It's like having an assistant that never sleeps and never misses a detail. Now, here's where I want to talk about something really important. If you're serious about scaling your business and using AI tools like ChatGPT to get more customers and save hundreds of hours with automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is the absolute best place to learn how to use AI to transform your business. Inside, you'll learn exactly how to leverage tools like ChatGPT group chats to automate customer communication, streamline team collaboration, and handle client projects faster than ever before. And now, with group chat features like this, you can coordinate entire teams without endless meetings or email chains. Study groups are another huge one. You're cramming for an exam with classmates. Someone doesn't understand a concept. You ask ChatGPT to explain it. Someone needs practice problems. ChatGPT generates them instantly. Someone wants to quiz the group. ChatGPT can run the quiz. It's like having a tutor available 24/7 who never gets tired. Family planning just got easier too. Organizing a family reunion or a holiday dinner, coordinating schedules, tracking who's bringing what. ChatGPT can keep track of everything, send reminders, answer questions about recipes or directions, all without anyone having to be the designated organizer who does all the work. Here's something really important though: privacy. Your group chats are completely separate from your personal ChatGPT conversations. So if you've been using ChatGPT for work or personal stuff and you've built up a custom memory, that stays private. The group chat doesn't pull from your individual history, and other people in the group can't see your private chats. Everything is siloed, which is exactly how it should be. Now, there are some limits you should know about. When ChatGPT responds in a group chat, it counts toward your rate limit. So if you're on the free tier, you've got a certain number of messages per day. If you're a pro user, you get way more. The quality of ChatGPT's responses also depends on your subscription. Pro users get access to better models and more advanced features. Free users still get great responses, but pro users get the full power. But here's why I think this update is actually revolutionary. It fundamentally changes what AI is. Up until now, ChatGPT has been a tool you use alone. You go to the website or app, You ask questions, you get answers. It's a one-on-one interaction. This makes it multiplayer. It makes it social. It makes AI a participant in group dynamics instead of just a solo assistant. And that opens up so many possibilities we haven't even thought of yet. What if teachers use this for virtual classrooms? What if remote teams use this instead of Slack? What if friend groups use this as their main chat app? What if families use this to stay connected across generations? The potential is massive. Now, let me tell you how to actually set this up, because you're probably wondering how to get started. First, open ChatGPT. On the sidebar, you'll see an option to create a new group chat. Click that. Then you'll get a prompt to invite people. You can invite up to 20 participants. You just need their email or username. They'll get an invitation link. Once they accept, they're in the group. And ChatGPT is automatically part of it. Once everyone's in, you can start chatting like normal. If you want ChatGPT to respond, just mention it by name or ask a direct question. The AI will read the whole conversation thread, so it has context. It won't respond to every message, but when it does respond, it will be relevant and helpful. You can also use ChatGPT to generate images right in the chat. Just ask it to create something like, hey, ChatGPT, make a funny meme about our trip, or ChatGPT, design a logo for our project. It will generate the image and drop it right into the group chat for everyone to see. And remember those emoji reactions I mentioned. You'll start seeing ChatGPT use those naturally. It adds a fun layer to the conversation, makes it feel less like you're talking to a bot and more like you're talking to a teammate. Let's talk about why GPT 5.1 Auto is such a big deal. This isn't just a regular ChatGPT model. It's specifically designed for group interactions. That means it's trained to understand when to speak and when to listen. It's trained to pick up on social cues. It's trained to adapt its tone based on who's in the conversation. So if you've got a casual friend group, ChatGPT will match that vibe. If you've got a professional work team, ChatGPT will be more formal and focused. If you've got a study group, ChatGPT will be educational and patient. The AI literally adapts to the context of the group. That's wild. And this is just the beginning. OpenAI has been hinting at more collaborative features coming soon. We might see shared workspaces. We might see persistent group memories where ChatGPT remembers past conversations and builds on them over time. We might even see integrations with other tools like Google Docs or Notion, so you can work on documents together with ChatGPT in real time. Think about what that means for productivity. You could have ChatGPT drafting emails while you're in a group chat discussing strategy. You could have ChatGPT researching competitors while your team brainstorms ideas. You could have ChatGPT creating presentations while you're planning the content, all simultaneously, all in one place. This also changes the game for people who work alone. If you're a solopreneur or freelancer, you can create a group chat with just you and ChatGPT. But now it feels less isolating. You're not just typing into a void, you're having a conversation. You can bounce ideas around, you can get instant feedback. It's like having a coworker, even when you work by yourself. For content creators, this is huge. You can create a group chat with your team, your video editor, your graphic designer, your writer. And ChatGPT can help coordinate everything. It can generate video scripts, it can suggest thumbnail ideas, it can write social media captions, all in real time while your team is discussing the project. For marketers, this is a dream. You can have ChatGPT in your campaign planning chats. It can analyze data, it can suggest ad copy, it can generate targeting ideas. It can even predict trends based on current conversations. This speeds up the entire creative process. And for anyone learning a new skill, this is incredible. You can create a study group with other learners and include ChatGPT. The AI can answer questions, it can provide resources, it can create practice exercises. It's like having an expert in the room at all times. One thing I want to highlight is how this makes AI more accessible. Not everyone is comfortable using AI tools. Some people find it intimidating. But when AI is part of a group chat with people you already know, it feels way less scary. It normalizes the technology, it makes it approachable, and that's going to accelerate adoption in a massive way. We're going to see families using this who would never have opened ChatGPT on their own. We're going to see older generations getting comfortable with AI because it's integrated into their group chats with kids and grandkids. We're going to see people in industries that have been slow to adopt AI suddenly using it every day. This is also interesting from a business perspective. Companies can now create internal group chats with ChatGPT as a knowledge base. Instead of searching through documents or emailing HR, employees can just ask ChatGPT in the group chat. The AI can pull from company resources and provide instant answers. This reduces admin overhead. It speeds up onboarding. It makes information more accessible across the organization. Customer service teams can use this too. Imagine a support chat where multiple agents and ChatGPT are all working together to solve a customer issue. ChatGPT can pull up relevant information. It can suggest solutions. It can draft responses. The human agents can focus on the relationship while ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting. So here's what I want you to do. After this video,